Apple just made AI apps ridiculously easy in SwiftUI. So within this application, just say if you didn't know how to create a certain recipe, such as a pancake, you can type in the word pancake or whatever recipe meal you want to create, click on generate, and then it will show the actual recipe, how to make a pancake with the actual steps. And this is the application we'll be creating in this tutorial. The first thing we need to do is to create a new file. This file will be our ingredient struct. Then we need to import foundation models. So the foundation models give us access to the on-device AI features like structure generation, this tells the model to return structured ingredient data instead of plain text. We need to create another file. This will be our recipe step, which is another struct. The next struct we need to create will be our recipe struct. We need to include a title, which will be the name of the dish. Also a summary or an overview of the recipe. And the amount of servings. I'll just copy and paste the rest of the attributes. This is where most tutorials stops and people get stuck, especially with how to structure this properly. I'll go through this in a real world SwiftUI application on my course. Link is in the description.
¿Cómo estás hoy? ¿Puedo ver el menú?
This prepares our model or service before we use it. For example, warming up an AI model so the first request is faster. Now your app won't break even without Apple Foundation models. Next, we will hook up this into a real AI and switch between both seamlessly.